Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Ka 7 set higher secondary school Shillong, kalalong kaway na school balawan shakmat, haga examination SSLC arjar arpunreo, balapunong na Meghalaya Board of School Education, haga balangot ki Khynnah school kili irung haga thop jong ki arpungot bawan shakmat tam. Ka pajukta roy kalalong kabayo marks buntam na school, dagbayo ya kakardan kabalay, board sa unathaniel mantri lalu, ubalayo ya kakardan kabasaw, bad ka Catherine Amy Nongbet, kabayo ya kakardan kabakhan rio. Haba Pynpaw ya kajing job kapajukta kalaong bakani kajing job kadailing ba kajing kershan Nonghikai bat kikmi kikpa kala kedoro ba kajing minat bar kajing pule man kasngi kalong Lynti banyo ya kum kani ka result. Unat hanyal mantri lalu ula Pynpaw ru ya kajing kemen bat ulaong bakani kajing job kadai namar kajing nget ha ublay kajing aimen siam ha ying hasam bat kajing betinenti Nonghikai ula ajing mut ikipara Khynnah school banong ki bayai ha kajing long renti bat ban shim khya ya kajing puli class 10 kham tam haki banai ki bakhat do hadu ka exam.
I'm really happy today. All this wouldn't have been possible without my teachers. They have supported me a lot throughout this journey. Even my parents, they are teachers, so I got guidance from them also. And even my friends encouraged me. So thank you to all the people who supported me, and thank you. The main thing is consistency. I think I studied every day for 2 to 3 hours, not that much, but before exams, it was a bit long. So I think consistency is important.
So have you been using the CM guidebook?
Yes, little bit, but I didn't focus on that much. I even focused on the books because most of the things are in the books only.
What is your favorite subject?
Maths,
And what's your toughest subject?
social science.
How do you prepare social science since it's the top subject?
I studied from guidebook, but the sad thing is that most of the things didn't come from the guidebook. But I studied the textbook also, so it was not that difficult. But social science question paper is always difficult.
Okay, do you also go for tuition?
No,
So how do you who help you to prepare these exams?
my teachers in school and my parents.
What's your aim in life?
Um, I want to do something good in my life. I want to work for my country.
And what is your next plan after since you finish your matriculation?
I want to take science and I want to take physics, chemistry, maths, and computer.
Wide spectrum. I like to play guitar, of course. I've been going to music theory classes. I love to play mostly instruments. Piano, also I like to play it. And I love to play basketball. I'm really into sports, especially football and basketball. I guess another one of my hobbies is cooking, which is the main purpose of this is just so that I can cook for my family in case they're not available or they need some help. Yes.
What do you have to say about internet?
The internet world, it's quite a dangerous world for one, especially teenagers. I would say that it really depends on how you use it. For me personally, I use it for educational purposes. Other than that, also, I mean, they say that you shouldn't really use Instagram at this age, but I feel like it all depends on how you use it. For example, I follow news channels, I follow scientific channels, and that's how I get all my knowledge and prepare myself for future endeavors.
Okay, please tell us more about your preparation for these exams. Like how many hours a day do you spend in it?
For me personally, I don't like to confine myself within hours. I like to think of it as a feeling. If I like to study, I would do it at that moment. But I would say that once you reach class 10, you really need to be serious about it. Because as my parents say, it's a make it or break it stage. And for me, I started preparing all the way from the beginning of the year. But at the same time, I would advise students to please enjoy your school life. You'll not get something like this ever again. Do what you love, but at the same time, discipline yourself, especially at the last few months before the final exam. Make sure you give it your all, because in the end, even if you don't do well, as long as you gave it your all, you know you will be satisfied with the results.
Did you expect that you will secure a position?
Well, from all my teachers and my parents, they were expecting, but I myself didn't want to keep high hopes because in the end, I know that what I did in my exam, I gave it from my heart. I did all from my heart, and it just depends on the correctors, the people who correct the papers, if they like my answers or not.
So what is your next plan and what's your aim?
Well, my next plan, I plan on taking commerce, not science. I know it might be a shock, but then in my vision, it's like I'm very inclined towards taking chartered accountancy as a job, and also helping out the locals, the tribals. Since especially there are not many people taking up chartered accountancy from the tribal section, so I would like to be one of the first.
Thanks, Katrin, Amy, Nonghikai. Man, it's all thanks to God. Jisoo hi. Damdan Jisoo ngamla ada even secure kami position. First, pray bed, dry bed every day. You cannot skip prayer. To be honest, I had a full schedule throughout the year, my entire class 10. I did not miss a day for which I didn't study, and I had a perfect schedule. I would not skip anything, but also I made sure I had fun. I wouldn't let my studies get in the way of my friendships and my relationships with people around me as well. I wouldn't say I completely cut off my Instagram and social media during my studies. It's a 50-50 chance. Basically, some people, if they know how to use social media and Instagram, if they have a control limit, yes, they can use it to an appropriate amount. But if those who doom scroll way too much and they can't really focus, I suggest that they do delete Instagram. Even like delete some friendships and all that, because you need to focus on your future. You need to focus on your studies. No, I really prayed for it though. I prayed that I would get top 20. I wanted to make my family proud. And I'm really glad I got this position. I prayed so hard for it, and I'm just really thankful to God for helping me achieve this position.
What is your next plan? What is your aim?
I don't have a specific career or job that I aim for. I would like to go commerce because it has a lot of benefits. I can learn about money and finances as well as other life beneficiaries.